Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bardstown, local and long-distance movers near me. You get access to additional options and features when you choose us for your long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Get the services you need for your long-distance move from us. We offer plenty of options to make relocating simple. If you're moving one state over or across the country, we can make it a simple process. The right Kentucky Moving Company can make your local move much easier. If you hire professional movers, you will save time and energy. With good movers, you can avoid the heavy lifting and get to where you need to go quickly. 3 Movers offers the right moving services for your needs. We know how to make your move super simple and streamlined, and if the move would take you all week to complete, we can do it in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bardstown moving business offers extra services for which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.